We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We love the opportunity to earn a great review from you, too. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.